Never beg someone to love you. Instead, make them wish they had never let you go. First things first, women are drawn to confidence, charisma, and authenticity. When you show that you know your worth and can stand on your own, it creates an aura of mystery and allure. These aspects are more attractive traits than looks. Pay attention. Number 1. Work on building your self-esteem. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself, whether it's pursuing hobbies, learning new skills, or achieving personal goals. Number 2. Invest in yourself. This could mean getting fit, dressing well, or even improving your social skills. When you take care of yourself, it shows that you respect yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. You are doing great in this metric because even now you are doing exactly that. Number 3. Develop a magnetic personality. A great sense of humor and a positive attitude can make anyone more attractive. Work on your social skills. Be engaging and fun to be around. Share stories, laugh easily, and don't take yourself too seriously. Women love a man who can make them smile. Number 4. Don't be too available. When you're always around, it can lessen your value in the eyes of others. Maintain a bit of mystery. Focus on your life and interests, and let her come to you. This will create a sense of intrigue and make her curious about you. Number 5. Build relationships with other women. This doesn't mean leading anyone on, it's about being friendly and engaging. When she sees you surrounded by others who appreciate you, it can spark jealousy and make her realize what she's missing. Remember, attraction is complex and goes beyond physical appearance. By working on your confidence, personal growth, social skills, and maintaining a sense of mystery, you can attract women, even if you don't fit the conventional standards of beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building confidence and attracting the right people into your life.